week we are continuing with the accounts receivable payments module, and we are introducing the cash posting worksheet program. This tutorial will include the following: posting a sum credits invoice payment, posting a customer payment by invoice date, posting unapplied payments, and lastly, reconciling unapplied payments. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is part 3 of the accounts receivable payments in SYSPRO. So let's get started. Welcome. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to look for AR payments and adjustments. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. On transaction type, we're going to leave it on payment. On customer, we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to enter our payment amount. We're going to tap off to enter our reference in check or check number. Then we're going to tap off on the payment date. I'm going to leave it as it is. Then I'm going to tap off to the journal notation to type in my journal notation. Okay, A3. We're going to tap off to now enter our payment narration. So we are paying. Okay, invoice 100542 and invoice 100543. Perfect. We're then going to come to the bank deposit slip details, and we're going to select our bank. So the bank that's already selected is the one that I want to select, so I'm not going to make any changes. Then I'm going to select the payment type. So check is the payment type that I want to select, so I'm not going to make any changes there. Then I'm going to enter the drawer's bank. I'm going to tap off to enter the drawer's branch. Then I'm going to tap off. Then I'm going to come to the bottom pane, and I'm going to select sum credits, which is to accumulate all credit invoice balance and increase undistributed amount. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to select my invoices. So 100542, 100543. After selecting my invoices, I'm going to then click on recalculate amount, which is to recalculate the payment amount to equal selected invoices. So we're going to click there. Perfect. After we're done here, we're going to then click on post. As you can see, your transaction has been successfully posted. Perfect. I'm going to close this program. And there we have our journal entry. And that is how you post a sum credit invoice payment. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to look for cash posting worksheet. Then we're going to click there. I'm just going to maximize my screen. We're going to start by clicking on the add icon, and then we're going to enter our customer code on customer. Then we're going to tap off. If you don't want to change your payment date, you can leave it as is, and if the default information is what you want to select, then we're going to leave it as it is. Then we're going to enter our check number. Then we're going to tap off to enter the payment amount. So 42763.50. We're going to then click on post functions, and we're going to click on the downward arrow to select post automatic by date. So automatically This automatically applies checks to outstanding invoices by due date. So we're going to then select that. And there we have our post. As you can see, there we have our journal entry. Then we're going to close this program. And that is how you post a customer payment by invoice date. We have realized that 80% of our viewers are not yet subscribed. We are going to give you a chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to select cash posting worksheet. I'm just going to maximize the screen. I'm going to click on the add icon, and on customer, I'm going to then enter the customer code, then I'm going to tap off. I'm going to leave the payment date as it is, and I'm going to tap all the way to the check to enter my check number. Then I'm going to tap off to now enter the payment amount. Then we're going to go to post functions, and we're going to click on the downward arrow, and we're going to select post unapplied. And there we have our journal entry, and we're going to close this program. And that's how you post an unapplied payment. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to select AR payments and adjustments. Perfect. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On transaction type, we're going to leave it on payment, and on customer, we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off. We're going to then enter our check or reference number, okay, which is going to be 985. Then we're going to come to the bottom pane where we're going to select our unapplied payments. So we know that payments are unapplied when they start with the prefix CR. So you can simply select those unapplied payments, or you can click on some credits, which will automatically select those invoices. Then we're going to select a corresponding invoice, and that is for 1000499. As you can see, the gross amount for that invoice will be then 7,000. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on post. As you can see, your transaction has been posted successfully. Then we're going to close this program. And that is how you reconcile unapplied payments. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Please do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.